Sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants synthesize carbohydrates by using carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll present in the leaves. Light is one of the essential requirements for the photosynthesis. The energy contained in solar radiation is absorbed by the photosynthetic pigments and is converted into utilizable chemical energy during photosynthesis. So this experiment is to show light is necessary for photosynthesis. Requirements: potted plant, petri dish, boiling tube, beaker, Bunsen burner, forceps, dropper, ethyl alcohol, iodine, water, black pepper. Procedure: take a potted plant, keep the plant in a dark room for 3 days so that all the starch gets used up. Now, select a leaf of the plant and cover a part of it from both the sides with a strip of a black paper. Now, place this plant in sunlight for a few hours. Put the leaf in a beaker containing ethyl alcohol. Now, place the beaker in boiling water and boil it. Take out the leaf and wash it with water. Now, place this leaf in the petri dish. Put a few drops of iodine solution on it and observe the change in color. Observation: the covered portion of the leaf does not change color, whereas the uncovered portion turns blue. The covered portion of the leaf did not receive sunlight, hence photosynthesis did not occur and no starch was formed there. The uncovered portion of the leaf received light and starch was formed there due to photosynthesis. From this experiment, we can conclude that sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. Thank you.